In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file and link it to a button on your website, a process that can enhance user interaction and accessibility. Let's dive right in and simplify these tasks step by step to make sure you can follow along with ease. First things first, we'll start by adding a button or a link to your web page. Depending on the tool or platform you're using, this could be as simple as dragging and dropping a pre-designed button from your editor's toolbar onto the preferred area of your site. If you're hand coding, you might want to use an HTML button element. Remember, the design and placement of this button are important as they dictate how users engage with it. Think carefully about its style and location to ensure it catches attention but remains intuitive and accessible. Next, let's move on to the file upload process. This is where you'll choose the file you want to share. Head over to the File Manager or Media Library section of your website platform where you can upload files. Select the Upload File option and navigate to the desired file from your computer. Whether it's a PDF, image, or any other document, ensure that the file format is compatible with your website. Also, a quick side note, keep the file size in check to ensure faster loading times and optimal performance for your users. Once you've selected your file, allow some time for it to upload completely. You might see a progress bar indicating the upload status. Once the upload is finished, you'll typically be provided with a URL for this specific file. Keep this URL handy as it will serve as the bridge between your button and the file itself. Now that you've got your file URL, let's link your button to this file. Go back to the button you added earlier. You'll need to access its settings or properties. This might involve clicking on the button or using a side panel depending on your tool. Look for an option that allows you to input a link or URL. This is where you'll paste the URL you saved from your file upload. What's happening here is you're creating a hyperlink that directs users to your file when the button is clicked. Double check to ensure you've pasted the entire URL correctly. This avoids any broken links or user frustration when they click and nothing happens. Finally, it's time to publish all your hard work. Before hitting that ultimate publish button, take a moment to preview your page. Ensure everything looks exactly how you envisioned and, most importantly, test the button. Click it to see if it takes you to the intended file. This step holds the key to ensuring a seamless user experience. Once you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and publish your page. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on uploading a file and linking it to a button on your website. By adding functionality and enhancing navigability, you're making your site more user-friendly and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy web designing.